part 2.
Here comes the big guy. Oh my god, it's so crazy because I feel like I'm moving, but I'm really not. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I like car washes. They're really fun. It's like a roller coaster in here. It's like very, very awesome. Oh my goodness. Shelly's gonna be so clean, you know? Oh my god. Sounds like a little whippersnapper or something, you know?